We got a new vacuum, Hoover, wind tunnel, model number UH70400CA. I got this on eBay. This shipped directly from Hoover. This vacuum lists for $179.99. I got this for $59.99 on this vacuum. Amazon got the same vacuum for $124.99. So I got it for almost half price off of Amazon. $60. $4 tax. I couldn't get around the tax. So it came out to $63.18 change. So let me get it out of the box and I'll set it up. Alright, we got it out of the box. This is a bagless vacuum. No bags. Take this piece off over here and this comes out and you dump this out. It comes with an attachment here that plugs in down here. You take this off and you can use your attachment, and they give you this a brush on one end and a pointy piece on the other end. Pointy piece comes out. I'm trying to do this without a tripod. Hold on. Got the pointy piece to get in your furniture. Then this piece here that sticks into this. This piece comes off. It's like a tubing. Plugs in there, and then you can do your stuff. There's your on and off switch. Over here, got adjustable handle. You can move the handle up. Now this was the old vacuum. This still works. It has the bag in it. There's a beta bar like this. The beta bar in here that broke one time. And I found a guy who does vacuum repair in the next town, and he had one for $10. He sold it to me. So I repaired this vacuum. It still works, but I want to get a new vacuum. The family has this vacuum, and it works pretty good. So I figured I would get one also. And for that price, $59.99 for a $179 vacuum, that was a good deal. That's what I got on Amazon. So that's what it is. The wind tunnel, Hoover. They've been making vacuums for years. So I got a new vacuum.